garlic cottage cheese spinach casserole, or garlic cottage cheese spinach bowl, or Lasoon Palak Paneer, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most different of the garlic casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the cheese recipes. We're going to make garlic cottage cheese spinach casserole, or Lasoon Palak Paneer. We've taken around 150 grams of cottage cheese, a little salt, and pour in the juice of half a lemon. Take off the seeds, if any. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Nicely marinate the cheese and apply the mixture spices onto the cottage cheese pieces. The next ingredients are around 100 grams of green spinach or palak, boiling the spinach, putting the palak or spinach into the grinder, cloves and grind well. After putting in around 25 ml of water and grind well. Heat the casserole and put in 15 grams of clarified butter or ghee and let it melt. Put in the cottage cheese into the butter and salt and fry. Now take off the casserole. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinate. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. start onions. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute a little. Now put in the cottage cheese or paneer pieces. Saute thoroughly and mix. The rest of the mixture. Now pour in the ground spinach. Pour in around 100 to 150 ml of water to wash off the rest of the spinach from the grinder. Mix. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Put in salt to taste. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 10 minutes. And cook. Now open. Now the garlic, cottage cheese, spinach casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, cottage cheese, spinach casserole or garlic, cottage cheese, spinach bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the cheese casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the cheese recipes and one of the most different of the spinach recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach casserole recipes. It's also called Lasoon Palak Paneer.